does not become reality through any magic. It needs a lot of hard work and determination. With this beautiful quote, we start this video. Hello, my name is ATHULYA J of class 8E, Kendriyavidyalaya Island Grounds, Chennai. So I'm here to talk about the biography of a great legend, P.T. Usha. So here we go. Child was born named Usha to a poor family in a village named Payoli near Calicut, Kerala. Her full name was Pilavukandi Tekke Parambal Usha. Her mother's name was T.V. Lakshmi and father's name E.P.M. Paital. She did not have a privileged childhood and faced much health issues and much poverty. But P.T. Usha was really active in her childhood. The present champion of the inter-district athletics was studying at 7th standard in P.T. Usha's school. That time, P.T. Usha was at 4th standard, so the champion trained Usha very well. At the next sub-district athletic meet, Usha beaten the last champion who practiced her and won first position at the sub-district meet. Usha was associated with sports since the year 1976, when her aptitude and passion for sports led her to secure a Rs 250 scholarship from Kerala state government and represent her district when it started a sports school for women in Kannur. In the year 1976, things took a major turn when athletics coach O.M. Nambiar noted Usha on a national award ceremony at Trivandrum. The coach was impressed by her lean shape, activeness and fast walking style. This is one moment of P.T. Usha with her coach O.M. Nambiar. The coaching began showing results as 2 years later, in an interstate junior meet, 14 years old P.T. Usha won 4 gold medals in 100 meters, 200 meters, 60-meter hurdles and high jump. She was 16 years old when she travelled to Pakistan. First, she travelled in a train without reservation. Up to Pakistan border, everything was okay. When her train entered Pakistan territory, people near the railway tracks threw stones at the train. Till she reached Karachi, the feelings of the Pakistanis were the same. When she reached Karachi railway station, the athletics authorities gave us a warm welcome and provided almost all the facilities. But there was no permission to outside. During her stay in Pakistan, those people who loved sports extended their happiness towards our Indian side. When she started winning the race, the people as well as the authorities started chanting her name. On the last day, when I entered the stadium, the gallery was full and people were chanting her name. She was very happy and proud. P.T. Usha, the Moscow Olympics at 1980 was the first experience of an Olympics. She was really thrilled to watch the Olympic Stadium, and for her it was the first flight trip from India to Moscow. But for her, lot of sickness in the flight itself, and she was not at all in a good mood. After reaching there, full of vomiting, because of long time in the air, her head got heaviness and started vomiting. When she went to the Moscow Olympics Welcome Center, they gave her the warm welcome drink. She don't know what she drank. She was so thirsty and tired that time. So she took some drink from there, and after that she was again having some problems. That day was very difficult for her. 16 years old girl going outside the country, it was very strange that time. big stadium, and there it was the same type of buildings, the Olympic villages. When she went to the room to other places, finding was very difficult. There were small vehicles to take them around, and to the mess and all the places like warm-up area. There was not even any company for her. Only two coaches who were Malayalis helped her. For her, she always don't like to run at the last. At the age of 16, P.T. Usha became the youngest Indian sprinter to complete in an Olympic event while participating at the 1980 Moscow Olympics. In 1984, the Indian runner P.T. Usha finished fourth in 400-meter hurdles in Los Angeles. P.T. Usha was felicitated with the Arjuna Award in 1984 and Padma Shri in the same year from the Indian government.
Basically running at home and representing Jamaica. P.T. Usha is a lady that some people think could win this race from India in lane. This time a fair start, and they're just about even as they go to the first hurdle, with Hellender looking good in lane 7, and also El Mutlaqil looking very strong at the outset here in lane. By that in lane 3, at least for the moment, I will. In lane 2, Kojikaru. Also in lane 5, that's Usha of India. And as you can see, Smuglin appears to have finished.
P.T. Usha participated in Jakarta Asian Championship at 1985. Usha won 6 medals, 5 golds and 1 bronze medal. P.T. Usha was later on known as Payoli Express, Golden Girl and Queen of Indian Track and Field. India participated in the 1986 Asian Games held in Seoul, South Korea from September 20 to October 5. India ranked 5th with 5 gold medals, 9 silver medals and 23 bronze medals, with a total of 37 overall medals. 4 of the 5 gold medals were secured by P.T. Usha and 1 silver medal. During the interstate athletics meet at Agartala in 1986, P.T. Usha won both the 400 meters and the hurdles without too much trouble. She played for the Kerala team. P.T. Usha participated in Asian Track and Field at Singapore and also secured 3 gold medals and 2 silver medals. She participated in the Malaysian Open Athletic Meet at Kuala Lumpur and secured 2 gold medals.
In the 1989 Asian Athletics Championship was the 8th edition of the International Outdoor Athletics competition between Asian nations, organized by the Asian Athletics Association. The 6-day competition was held from 14 to 19 November at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi, India. In this championship, P.T. Usha won 4 gold medals and 1 silver medal.
At 1990, she also participated in Asian Games at Beijing, China and got silver medals. Usha announced retirement in 1990, but not before adding her legend with 4 gold and 5 silvers at the 1989 Asian Championships and 1990 Asian Games.
With a level head and lightning feet, the Golden Girl P.T. Usha
continues to be an inspiration for thousands of women in India as well as abroad. I salute her for the spirit and dedication towards sports. Thank you.